Hey everybody, I want to show you how to do a hardware reset on your Chromebooks. A hardware reset is sometimes the solution for certain issues like the microphone not working, the camera not working, or the touchscreen not working, or even sometimes the keyboard not working correctly. So I've got a student Chromebook here. This may or may not be the type of Chromebook that you have, but I'm going to go through the process, and you simply need to find the keys that are on your Chromebook to do the same thing. So the first step is to turn the Chromebook off. So I'm going to find the power button. I'm just going to press and hold the power button until the computer turns off completely. There I am. Hey everybody. Guess I should have wore a hat. And then once your computer is turned off, what you need to do is you need to find the power button, which is right there. You need to find the escape key, the refresh key, which is a key that looks just like this little guy right here. It's a little half circly key. And you need to find a spot on your Chromebook where there's a little LED. And on this Chromebook here, it's over here on the side. LEDs are generally little lights that turn on when your Chromebook is on or when it's charging. So you might know it as the charging light. They're usually over here on the side, or in some Chromebooks, they're here on the front. This one's obviously not on the front. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to press and hold the escape key while you're pressing the power key. And what's going to happen is the little LED light on the side is going to turn on, and then it's going to turn off. So I'm going to just zoom in here on the LED light so you can see what it is. But on the keyboard, all I'm doing is pressing the refresh key and the power key. I hope my hands are big enough to do that. So I'm pressing the refresh and the power key. And that light turned on and off. You didn't really see it all that well, but it did happen. And then once you do that, you can turn your Chromebook back on again just by pressing the power button. And there's a good chance that if your camera wasn't working before, or your touchscreen wasn't working before, or your keyboard wasn't working before, it's probably working now. I have another Chromebook here that I was going to do the same thing on, just to show you that some of the lights, some of the LEDs and the keys are in different places. Again, there's your refresh key up at the top. The power key on this one is actually a physical button. It's not a key on the keyboard, so that button is right there. And the LED that we're talking about, the little power LED, is right there. So again, I'm going to turn my Chromebook off. This time I have to press the physical button on the left-hand side. All right, give it a second or two. And then I need to press the refresh key and the power key. And you'll see that little LED comes on and then it goes off. I'm just holding down the same keys. You can hold it down for about 5 seconds. And then once the light turns off completely, you can power your Chromebook back on, and there's a good chance that the Chromebook is working correctly again. Good luck.